Good morning, YouTube. It is now about to be 11 o'clock. My fucking supervisor called me this morning. I was asleep. I thought it was like my alarm going off or something. I don't know why, but he called me and he asked if I could come in early. Yesterday I went in early. Today I'm gonna come in early again. Just, it's cool, whatnot. I like to chill all day before I go to work. But now that I gotta go into work and then go back to work at 4, it's kind of, it sucks, but more money, that's good because I need it around this time, Christmas and whatnot. But tonight we're gonna go Christmas shopping. We're gonna buy a Christmas tree. We're gonna fucking put it up. You're gonna see all that. I'm gonna record everything when we're in the store. Everything. You know us, we like to blow that before we go in the store because right here with my nigga Petey. Yeah. He a little camera shy, but it's all good. Petey, you better not shit on me. You better not shit on me, dude. We trying to train them to, they say to train them is put them in the cage. Have them out, put them in the cage. This motherfucker, grab him. Grab him. Ugh. This shit feels so weird. So we're putting up the little tree. We're putting up the 6-footer. That ain't no 6-footer. It's on the table. Fuck it, I like it. It's nice. We're gonna put the presents under the table. Right now, just spreading out the wings. The tree already came with lights, so that's dope. I like that. Put in the first ornament.
Do it more in the front, baby.
I know we're gonna do it everywhere, no? Okay. Right now we're gonna head out to Walmart. We're gonna do a little Christmas shopping, get a little gifts. I'm with my baby. We're gonna get a Christmas tree. Are we gonna put it up tonight? Yeah. Good. But I'm gonna vlog in the store. So I'm driving right now, so I'm gonna get off the phone because I don't wanna be over a cliff or fly over a bridge or
kill somebody else
because I wanna vlog. But yeah. What up? Look, babe. Right here in Walmart, fucking shopping around. She's back there shopping. I'm right here, bored as hell. We're right here, fucking goofing around.
Let's walk around with them.
Come on. We're gonna walk around with them. I'm gonna buy this too. I feel like Michael Myers. I just took a hit in Walmart. I don't know if you can see the smoke or not. But hey, we're looking for a tree. What color tree should we get? A white or green? Man, it's so hard to pick for a fucking tree. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard. The ornaments is what does it. We don't know what ornaments. We don't know. Where's my? Oh, that tree is fucking awesome right there. My favorite oil. I'm with Karina. We right here about to do the Christmas shopping. They got bags. Look, man, I like this shit. Look at it, they're in there. Babe, let's get one for the room. Okay, babe, I want a Christmas tree in the room, but she don't want one. So, babe, can we get a Christmas tree like this in the room instead? She don't want a little one in the room, so, or this one.
Oh, I like that one.
Well, let's go look at the Christmas trees. You get a Christmas tree, I want this ornament. I want this one right here. bears. Oh, this one's dope. That ornament's fucking awesome. So we're looking at the Christmas trees.
Sorry, Daddy.
Now, should we get all white lights or should we get color? Or all white tree or a green one? Which one you guys think? Damn, all white.
I want to get the all white.
Look at this one, looks like bud.
I love that one. That one looks so cool.
Damn. That's a regular tree. That's a weed tree. Damn, that shit was crazy. It's Friday, man. So this morning at about 5 in the morning, I went to go wash and got my laundry out the way and whatnot. I came home. You know, I was chit-chatting with my aunts and my mom and shit. And then I took a nap. So I fell asleep at maybe 10:30 a.m. And then I woke up at 2:42, and I only woke up because Karina called me. And dude, I'm glad she called me because it was already 2:42. I had to get up, get ready for work. I was way past time, you know. I should have already been up and ready. I should have set an alarm. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't. So she called me, and I'm fucking I'm half asleep, half up. And she's like, what are you doing? I'm like, oh shit, it's 2:42. I gotta get going. I gotta be out, I gotta be out the house at 2:50. I gotta be out, in the traffic because of the school and shit. It's hell, So I gotta be out early before 3. I gotta be out before 3. No more than later. If I do, then I'm gonna be late for work. So, but I was on time, and then when I was leaving, there was at least 10 police on my block. The block I live on and shit, it's like 10 police. They had like the street blocked off or with the yellow tape. I don't know. I didn't really see nothing much going on, but I don't know if they're doing it because of the school. I have no clue, but it'll be in the paper. So look at the snowman. Or not the snowman. Fucking Santa Claus. I'm on the fucking parking garage deck where I work. This is the very top floor. Those are all the buildings. That's the city hall right there. That's dope how they did that with the lights. It's fucking awesome. Look at someone's actually on that fucking roof over there. They're over there on that one right there. I wonder what the fuck they're doing. I wonder if he's committing suicide or what's he doing. You see him? There's 2 people. Oh shit. Right there. Oh, there's 3 people. You see them? They're probably not even supposed to be up there. But yeah. That's the downtown right there. Downtown area. Those are the nice apartments over there. This is the east side of downtown. I don't know if anybody comes over here. That's the Christmas tree. Just got home right now from work. I don't know if you can see me or not. I'm outside with Nitro. We're actually having him go bathroom and whatnot. Look at they decorated the windows. They put up the little snowflakes. Yeah, we did this like maybe 2 days ago. They put the snowflakes up. I'm gonna see if you can see the tree or not. I don't think, oh yeah, it is on. That's our tree. Can't really see it, but I'm gonna show you guys a good video of it turned on and everything. It's fucking cold out here. It has to be at least 30. It's supposed to snow actually on Sundays. Yeah, Sunday. It's It's supposed to snow. We're supposed to get a lot of snow. 3 inches supposedly. Man, so my plan around this time, I wanted to go like to take a vacation to California or to like somewhere nice and warm around this time when it gets really cold and shit, because I love the cold. I love it. But don't get me wrong, I do hate it too, you know, at the same time. Like, you know, I don't know, it's crazy. It's that fucking Illinois weather. Mother Nature is really bipolar. But yeah, we're just right here, just chilling, kicking it. Just got to CJ's right now. He just got a bird. He named it Stony. My nigga right there. What's going on, boy? Oh shit. Oh, damn, that's nice, dude. That's CJ's new bird.
New to the family,
Hi,
Stony.
Stony. Damn, that